Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. Before we get into this one, I'm going to ask a favor of you. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you're up to date with all the latest videos on making money. And leave this video a like, that way it gets out there in the YouTube algorithm. Now on to the video. What am I reviewing today? Today I am reviewing Steady. Now what is Steady? Steady itself is not a money-making app. It's not like you go right into the app and they pay you. It's nothing like that. It's not like the app itself gives you money, but it gives you leads to things that could give you money, if that makes sense. The best way to describe it is a Craigslist for money-making opportunities. Now, a lot of these opportunities, probably about 70% of them are work from home type of things. It's gig economy type of things. These are not things, this is not your typical job board is the point I'm trying to get across, right? You're not gonna find something for Domino's on here. You're gonna find a lot of things regarding survey taking, telephone, telemarketing, I guess is the proper term. You're gonna find a lot of things around that realm. Now, a lot of things on here you probably already know about. I see ads for Uber on here. I see postings for Lyft on here. So you are going to find a lot of things that you already are familiar with. So in that sense, it's not a revolutionary app. It's not trying to be. This app is just trying to be an app that is a tunnel way to other apps, if you will. This app is trying to be a funnel and funnel the users from here to all different types of other apps, such as Wonder or Fancy Hands or all these other things. Now, you're gonna obviously have mixed results with this because there's so many different companies on there. They're all different companies from different postings, from different corporations, from different apps. So there is no one size fits all review for this because your experiences are going to vary. However, if I were to give a general thought on this app, it would be mostly positive. Again, it's nothing revolutionary, but it does help you find other ways to make money. And a lot of them are, they're not 9-to-5 jobs. There's really no 9-to-5 type of jobs on this app, which is why it's not like an Indeed. It's not like a Craigslist. It's not like a LinkedIn. These are all gig economy type of jobs that you work from home or you set your own schedule. And if that's the type of thing that interests you, maybe this app is for you. But again, I think it's a decent app. I wouldn't say it's great. There's a lot of stuff on here that you're going to already know about. You're going to see a lot of things on here about Uber, about Lyft, about things that are quite common. But every once in a while, you will find a diamond in the rough that really piques your interest. And you go to apply, you click apply, you go through the process, and you might have a decent source of income on the side, if you will. So overall, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it. And if you did want to learn more about this app, you'd have to download it for yourself. This is not an advertisement for them. I am not affiliated with them in any way. This is just my honest review. I've had the app for about a month now, and I've had mixed experiences because, again, they're all different companies on there. I've had a couple decent experiences and a couple experiences on here. If you really just want to get a lot of different offers from different companies, this is a decent app for you. But if you already know what you want to do, if you already know you want to do this, or you already know you want to do that, and you want to work from home doing this, you want to work from home doing that, then this app kind of is redundant. But again, guys, I will catch you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.